It's fall. Raw waves today.
Hey, it's my birthday number 2 today.
Hey, you all. Okay, so we got this pumpkin patch, and it's too cold. Hey, Nesha. Hey,
Me and Maya really twinning because we do this. Hey vlog, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Nesha. Yeah, do your kick. Period. Nesha back with another video, and today we going to the pumpkin farm. Donnie, how you feel today?
good.
You feel good? Like your new hoodie?
Huh?
Like your new hoodie? You ready to go? No, you don't want to go?
Cause I still got to practice.
Okay, I'm ready to go. It's finna be 11 and we're still here, and today is also raw wave, and I cannot be late for raw wave. So the Maya in the house making breakfast for me and the Maya because that's my girl. We somewhat matching, periods.
Hey
vlog, we here. We're gonna be like you go.
You set the bar above the moon.
So what you say?
I don't wanna be 20 something. You're still in my head about.
I thought you was gonna go.
No, bro, I don't
Hey,
know
y'all, we
after
here.
that.
She said 17 and she's still in her bedroom.
1738.
No. 1738. Hey, I'm like saying hello. See Joe pretty. Soon as you came in the door, showed her how to.
Okay, y'all, this is my
married to the money, just
I have to find stuff that
showed her
looks
how
like
to
letters,
whip it,
but
then
it's not
it's
really
the
the letters.
below. She my
For my
child queen. Hey y'all.
It's over there. It's different every year. Like,
Yeah, they make it a picture. It's so nice.
Yeah,
like
it's
one
so
year
nice.
was 2020.
Remember last year, Jakai threw it over somebody and
What,
he
his birthday
took the
yesterday?
one and threw it over somebody?
yeah.
Yeah. How y'all feeling?
I want to see raw wave.
It's rain. It's fall. Raw waves today.
Hey, it's my birthday number 2 today.
Wait.
Thank you. And
I'm ready for the summer.
it's a little cold.
This nigga got one earring in. There you go.
The vlog know already. Yeah, hot cocoa. I'm hungry. Maya had an apple cider, but she ordered hot cocoa. So
I cannot wait till our hot cocoa.
our donuts.
Donuts.
Yeah, our donuts.
Hey, you all. Okay, so we got this pumpkin patch, and it's too cold. Hey, Nesha.
Hey, Spam. Hey, Spam.
She like, hey, y'all. Yeah. Why is my hood at the right wall?
And we going to
Lucky y'all. It's your birthday
Yeah, that's the. Yo, I got my donuts finally. Hey y'all, so we finna do this, and then I think the vlog might be over because my phone finna die, unfortunately. But yeah.
Oh, get oh my god. She did a front flip. Oh my god.
What the heck? Yeah, this ain't it.
We all just died.
I'm back.
Y'all
That is scary. No, but we almost did. Oh my god. See you feel.
Say hey.
Say hey.
Or you could dance. Go Jersey. Hey, go Jersey. Hey. Hey, vlog, we on the hay ride. Look at all of us.
That's how you get lights.
And it's a little cold. I'm ready to go. My phone finna die. I think I said that in last clip, but me and Maya really twinning because we do this. Because we do this. We do this. We do this. What is it? We ain't new to this. We true to this. Okay. Y'all see the cows? We finna feed them.
Black cows. Have they always been black?
Oh, that's cute.
Have they always been black?
Yeah.
Have they always been black? Period.
Oh.
It was eating.
The one that was it was eating.
Eating what?
Wait, move your phone. The mama.
Move your spoon.
What the heck? She don't make me put it Go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the tractor go round and round, all through the fun. Pucking forward. You know what's up? It's cold. It's my birthday. We on YouTube. It's wrong way to die.
They bored. We really they entertainment. Cause we the
Back of the bus.
Y'all see how second
Back of the bus be cracking.
cracking, whacking, like a tacky. You know what's
Wacky.
hey,
Wacky.
hey.